Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a get ready with me, but it is a bit of a different one. Today I have a goal of $50 to spend on this makeup, and I already picked the products because it was very hard. We skipped a million steps. I have 6 products. 6 products for $50. I only shopped my stash, so maybe some product could have been a bit on the lower side, but at the same time I didn't want to purchase something new. I don't like blushes from the drugstore as example, so we have something mid-priced. That's what I like. So let's start, and I will explain throughout the video why I picked a specific product and the cost and everything. So let's first start with the lips because I like prepping the lips, and we have only one product for lips today, and it is the Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. This is the cheapest one that I have in my collection. It is $5. And for these prices I try to take them from the official websites, but of course some official websites are in the EU, so maybe in the US it would be more expensive and vice versa, so these are general prices. So this is $5. I really like it. It is a nice lip oil, and it is the only product for lips that we can afford today, so let's apply it. And this is the shade Honey Honey. So let's start with the base. We are of course skipping primer because it is too expensive in this video, and also we are skipping foundation, and we are gonna use this one. This is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I really love this product, and at the same time you can use it as a foundation and concealer 2-in-1, so it is perfect for this video. But this is $12, so it was a bit more expensive, but considering that we are using this product for multiple steps, I think it is worth it. I'm gonna apply a good quantity. I'm gonna apply it like this and blend it with the sponge. The sponge not included in this price, it is what it is. We are not talking about tools because they are even more expensive than these products. And of course I do have some self-tanner on, so this concealer is too light for me. I'm gonna maybe use a bronzer at the very end of the video just for me to not look crazy, but otherwise I will show you the final result without the bronzer, because by the way we are skipping bronzer as well. So that's that. I am applying this product on the eyelids as well because of course we don't have eyeshadow primer, we don't even have eyeshadows in this video, so I actually decided to pick a bronzer because I really need one right now, and we will skip the eyebrow pencil for now. These are both $8, so it is perfect. This is the Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer. I have it in light, and we will apply a good quantity of this because I really need it. So I'm gonna apply it directly with the sponge on the temples and here. Okay, everything looks a bit better in my opinion. Now I am matching my neck and everything. We need a powder because I'm melting in here. It is pretty hot, and also I used only cream products. And for a powder I decided on this one, and it's very affordable. This is $6 and I really like it actually. It is a nice powder, not the best out there, but I like that you are getting 3 colors in here. And today I think I'm gonna just mix all of these, so I'm gonna remove this stopper. So this is the powder in there, all of the 3 colors. I'm gonna use again the sponge and just set everything with this. I would love some setting spray right now, but I cannot afford it in this video. And then I picked a blush, and I decided on this one. It is the most expensive product from this video. It is $14. I know that it is kind of expensive, but it is a blush and highlighter 2-in-1, and we will apply it a bit around the eyes as well. I picked this one just because it was the most affordable blush that I have, that I actually like, because blushes from the drugstore, I just don't like them in general, so because of that we are gonna use this one, and I'm gonna be very happy with it because it is beautiful. So this is with the blush on. As you can see, I have a lot of glow right now. The skin looks a lot more healthy, so I really like this one. I think it was the perfect touch for this makeup. And lastly, we can have only a brow gel. I really don't like this brow gel, I don't recommend it, but it is affordable and I own it, so that's the reason we are using it today. It's $5. It is the Ardell Brow Sculpting Gel. I'm gonna apply the smallest bit because it will not do a lot, and I don't want my makeup to get ruined because of this, so I'm gonna just brush my hairs up, and that's it. So this is the final look. It is very natural, but I do like it. I think it is a great vacation kind of look, and like a no makeup, it's glowy, it's beautiful overall, so I am not mad. But $50, it seems like a lot, but you can get only 6 products, or at least the products that I picked. But yeah, makeup is getting so expensive. This was the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.